Hello, and thanks for checking out the video. In this one I'm going to be making 4x4s, or I guess that's what I'm doing, is I'm making 4x4s made out of cedar logs, small cedar round. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out by squaring the log off at whatever dimensions it happens to fall at, and then I'm going to be taking off 1/2 inch slices, I guess, to make paneling. That way there I think I'm getting the most out of the log, wasting as little as possible, and I get some good siding. I'll show you what I use the siding for, or paneling I guess, that I use it for later on. But for now I'll get going and I'll show you how I handle these small cedar logs. Thanks again. Let's get to it. So now that I've got it squared off, I've got 4.5 by a little over 5. So given this side's flatter than this side, if I take another 1/2 inch off of here and a 1/2 inch off of either side of that, I've got myself my 4x4, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of 1/2 inch paneling. There it is, one 4x4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of paneling. There's a nice one there. See, it's got square sides on it already, and that's basically, once I throw it through the sawmill, that's what I end up with. Quickly sand it with a palm sander, take the rough surface off of it, and I've got myself some nice paneling, interior paneling, or I could use it as siding on the inside as well. And on top of all that, I've got myself about 1/2 bucket of cedar sawdust, which works great for as an absorbent, you know, oil spills and whatnot. So yeah, it's just a way of making the most out of the wood that you got. Try not to waste too much. I could end up, you know, just going straight into the 4x4, go to the middle of it and toss everything else as slab wood or firewood, but I'd rather have to cut down fewer trees and have more versatility, I guess, out of the logs that I do. It takes a little bit more time perhaps, but it's less time cutting trees down. And you just stack the stuff to dry, and you've got yourself a lot of building materials to use at some point in time when you find the genie. Even the strapping, you know, like you build boxes out of it, like you build crates. Yeah, it's just think about what you can get out of the log before you start cutting into it, and take your time, and you'll find that it's much more enjoyable. You're thinking a lot more, and you end up with a lot more usable material when you're done. Sorry about all the noise there. The hydro guys are here clearing the line, doing some brush work. So, anyways, thanks for checking out the video if you stayed with me all the way to the end, and I hope that was helpful. Take care.